On May 18, 1980, at exactly 8:30 a.m., a magnitude 5.1 earthquake shook St. Helens. The northern slope, weakened by months of deformation, collapsed like a house of cards. This caused an effect comparable to the opening of a giant champagne cork. Millions of tons of incandescent gases, ash and stones burst out at a speed of 480 km/h. The pyroclastic flow, a mixture with a temperature of 360 C, swept away everything in the path of 600 square kilometers. Forests, rivers, roads disappeared in an instant. Witnesses later said that the sky turned black, and the rumble could be heard 300 kilometers away. The volcanic column rose 24 kilometers, ash reached 11 states, and the streets of New York were covered with gray dust. But the most incredible thing is that the mountain literally disappeared into thin air. The explosion destroyed 400 meters of the peak, leaving a horseshoe-shaped crater instead. The volume of the ejected rock was 3.3 km3, which would have been enough to cover New York Central Park with a layer of 14 km. The area affected by the natural disaster was almost completely devastated. The lava destroyed the flora and fauna. As a result of the eruption, 57 people died. According to estimates, more than 5,000 deer disappeared, 1,500 American moose, 200 bears, thousands of birds and rodents. In an instant, the avalanche swallowed 18 million trees, and a 20-meter thick layer of volcanic rock formed around them. 2 weeks after the eruption, its temperature reached 650 degrees Celsius. In addition, a mixture of lava, rocks and ash reached Spirit Lake, which is located at the foot of the mountain. The water temperature in it rose to 100 degrees Celsius, as a result of which all living things died in it. The lake itself has doubled in size. Currently, the flora and fauna in the affected area is being restored, but the reservoirs remain uninhabitable for organisms. The natural disaster also destroyed the local infrastructure. It destroyed more than 200 residential buildings, 47 bridges, 30 kilometers of railway communication, and about 300 kilometers of highways.